Hey everyone, welcome back to Machine Minded, your go-to place for how machines work. Today, we're diving into the essentials of valve adjustment. Buckle up! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy learning how things work. What is valve adjustment? Valve adjustment is the process of setting the correct clearance between the rocker arm and the valve stem. Over time, due to wear and tear, these clearances shift. If not adjusted, it can lead to poor engine performance, strange ticking noises, higher fuel consumption, and even long-term engine damage. Why is it important? If the valves are too tight, they may not fully close, leading to loss of compression and overheating. If too loose, the valve timing will be off, and your engine will sound like a sewing machine. Incorrect valve clearance affects combustion efficiency and overall engine lifespan. How to adjust valves? Step 1. Make sure the engine is cold. Step 2. Remove the valve cover to access the rocker arms. Step 3. Rotate the crankshaft to bring the first cylinder to top dead center TDC on the compression stroke. Step 4. Use a feeler gauge to measure the gap between the rocker arm and valve stem. Step 5. If it's out of spec, loosen the lock nut and turn the adjustment screw until it matches the manufacturer's spec. Repeat the process for each valve. Reassemble everything and start the engine to check for smooth running and noise reduction. Valve adjustment might seem small, but it has a huge impact on your engine's health and performance. Thanks for watching Machine Minded, where machines make sense. Subscribe for more hands-on breakdowns and keep your engines happy.